Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, crazy cat artist with a cute little kitty that's grooming. Just get that shape in first. Just make sure everything's are semi-right proportions and right angles at this stage. Lots of room for correcting at this stage. Just finding my way. There's that little paw. Another little paw. And another little paw. It's really loose and spontaneous here. Gesture drawing. Just block off those paws and get some little toe lines in, just quick and spontaneous. And shape where that muzzle's going. Try not to overthink your drawing. You kind of just go for the feel of it, where things feel right. And allow your intuition to guide you. It's a very valuable thing, that intuition. The more you exercise it, the stronger it gets. There's that cute little tongue coming out. Toe beans. I like the tail. You can get so hung up on shaping things exactly perfectly that you kind of lose the natural gesture of it. Just kind of let it be. And that natural charm will come out. You know, it's really just an interpretation. It's your interpretation of your subject. And I think the less hard I try to make it look exactly like the subject, the more it seems to represent it better. And I love to hear from you. So if you have an idea for a video, please drop me a comment, or just drop me a comment to tell me about yourself or your cat, or give me an idea for a video, and put video idea in capital letters in your comment, and I can search for it that way and find all the video ideas. It's always nice to have new ideas. I like to give you the kind of videos you want. Just refining things. A bit of suggestion of markings. In a simple drawing like this, I just want, just a real suggestion. Some whiskers. I try to get the whiskers going in a way that goes with the flow of the drawing. So that's what I've done there. And thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.